C, 2, 3, 4, and F, 2, 3, 4, and B flat, 2, 3, 4. Hi, so let's do a little practice session with our Sus2, Add2, and Sus4 chords. Okay, we're going to take these chords through the cycle of fourths, just to do a little practice with them. So if you remember, Add2 is if we play a major chord and add the 2 to it, that's a major Add2. So that's a C major Add2, that'll be an F major Add2, and then a B flat major Add2, and then an E flat major Add2, and so on and so forth. Okay, and let's try and play this through the cycle. I'll play it once, and then you pause the video and you try to play it as slow as you can. And if you can play it fast, awesome, play it fast as well. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to just count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll go through the cycle, starting from C and moving anti-clockwise. So C, F, B flat in that order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and B flat, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and B, 2, 3 to the E, okay, 2, 3, 4 to the A, 2, 3, 4 to D, 2, 3, 4 to G, 2, back to our C and 1. Okay, awesome. Pause this video, try to play the major Add2 chords in the cycle of fourths. And once you're done, let's go to the next chord type. Okay, this is the Sus2 chord. Okay, and just a little recap. Sus2 is when I replace my 3 here, I suspend it to the second. So I replace my third with my second. So it's going to be a 1, 2, and 5 of the various keys, right? So C Sus2, F Sus2, G Sus2, and so on. Okay, so I'll play it one time with the progression, the cycle of fifths, and then you can go afterwards. So 1, 2, you can play with me if you are fine with it as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4, and F, 2, 3, 4, and B flat, 2, 3, 4, and E flat, 2, 3, 4, and A flat, 2, 3, 4, and C sharp, 2, 3, 4, F sharp, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, and E, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4 to G, 2, 3, and back to C. Okay, excellent. Pause the video and try and complete this task. Then we take our last chord type for our practice session. Okay, so the final chord type is the Sus4 chord. Okay, so Sus4 is when I replace my third with the fourth. Okay, so it's going to be like that. Okay, you can play it like that or like that, it's fine, anyhow that's comfortable. Okay, so I'll try and take it through the cycle once, and you can play with me, or afterwards you pause and do it yourself. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 to the B flat. 1, 2, 3 for E flat. 1, 2, 3 A flat. 1, 2, 3 C sharp or D flat. 2, 3 F sharp. 2, 3 and B. So I like to use my 1, 2, 3 fingers. E. 2, 3 and A. 1, 2, 3 and D. 1, 2, 3 to G. 1, 2, 3 and back to the C. Okay, excellent. So good job for going through this cycle. In the next lesson, we're going to look at a few uses of the sus chord. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson.